So Tecno Camon40 series a few days ago at the Mobile World Congress, and I got to experience these new devices. As of this moment, only Camon40 and 40 Pro 4G is available and has launched in Nigeria. I'm not sure when it will launch in other regions, or when the 40 Premier on 40 Pro 5G will be available to the market. But based on my hands-on experience with these devices at MWC, I can give you a good idea of what to expect. There are exciting features and a few downgrades to notes, which we're going to cover in this video. It has to be said, though, that Tecno is making innovative moves with their devices, something we find lacking with smartphones these days. It is only a matter of their brand reputation, as people are still skeptical about the quality of their products. I would keep the focus of this video only Camon40 Premia and a little of the Pro 5G, since there are already reviews of the other two. Let's just get the details of the Pro 5G out of the way first. There is no twist in it. The Tecno Camon40 Pro 5G is a complete downgrade from the 30 Pro of last year, and I suspect it's going to be cheaper too, because the processor is AI Dimensity 7300. The specs are more in line with the 4G version, with the only difference being the processor and the display refresh rate. Last year, the 30 Pro shared most of the specifications with the premium version, but this year Tecno decided to leave all of the premium features to the Camon40 Premier. It should be noted that it is Camon40 Pro 5G that won best in its category with DxOMark. So impressive cameras, I guess. Now onto the Camon40 Premier for the first time. Tecno embraced some continuity. The design looks not very far apart from the last generation. The same camera bump just moved to the center, and then they switched the positioning of that curve strip. Not sure what to call it, but you get the gist. It's more in line with the design on the rest of the series. You can also notice there is more elevation near the camera bump like the last generation. So it's a slimmer and lighter device. There's also that dedicated Flash Now button, which is remarkable. The display refresh rate is now 144. Here's an upgrade from 120 we had on the 30 Premier. Everyone looking at this price sheet, it is evident that overall Tecno builds on the 30 Premier, and that is something that needs to be commended for. If you look at previous generations of their devices that always turn everything down on build from the ground up, the processor is now upgraded to a domestic 8350, an upgrade from the 8200. One downgrade we have with the 4G Premium is the storage option. It looks like we only get 256 gigs in storage compared to 512 we got last year, which is a bummer because the storage is not expandable. Good news, though, is that we still get 12 gigs of RAM. It also seems there is no leather version this time. We only saw 2 color options, none with leather. Maybe there will be one by the time it's launching officially. The camera specifications have remained mostly the same, with a triple 50-megapixel combination of a main camera, an ultra-wide and a periscope lens with 3x optical zoom. The main camera sensor, though, is changed from this Sony IMX8902 and 9701. Since it was a hands-on preview, I did not get to test its cameras, but seeing what they come in 40 Pro could do. I'd say it wouldn't be out of place to have high expectations, and nothing improved in the coming 40 series is the build quality. It now has 86 and 86, and a rating Tecno even boasts is going to take good photos and videos underwater. I believe this level of IP rating is a first for Tecno phones, and most smartphones at the moment don't even have IP68 protection on the displays. Gorilla Glass 7. There are more features to expect from this device, especially on the software on Tech News. You could get a glimpse of these features from what is on your regular Cam40 and 40 Pro. My detailed review on that should be up soon. But yeah, that's the cover photo series that launched at MWC. There were other interesting devices on display, like the Tecno Spark Slim, which is the thinnest phone with a 5,200 milliamps battery. There is also the color-changing versions of the Camon40 series, the trifold concept eyeglasses, and a whole lot more. I'll say Tecno has come a long way, and I'll be looking forward to getting my hands on these Camon143 when it becomes officially available. Watch out for my detailed review on the Camon140 Pro PC.